In the next episode of Sabnam Sanji, several months will have passed and every character will appear to have moved forward while secretly living inside the consequence of the willing shooting. Erkan will be in prisons waiting the final stage of his case after refusing to withdraw his confession. Tickle will visit regularly but will no longer beg him to change his statement. Instead, she has spent the months studying the law, gathering witness, and building a defense with Tahir. Her transformation will surprise Erkan. The woman who once entered Istanbul uncertain of every step now speak to lawyer, reporter, and company directors without lowering her eyes. Pragil will be living at the shelter with other accused women, and pieces of her memory will have returned through the most important nights remain hidden. Simran and Nilufar will be separated. Nilufar is working inside the elder company while Sivan has returned to the village. Believing their world cannot to reconcile, East and Axel will live in different parts of the mansion, using silence as a weapon. While the divorce remain unfinished, the time jump will create a false camp until Daikel received confirmation that Farman has awakened, has requested to testify. His statement could free Arkan, but Farman's demands a private meeting with Daikel first. As the prison's Arkan sensed danger and asked Daikel not to go this time. However, he does not command her. He asks her to promise she not face alone. Daikel agrees and tasks Fridge with her. Farman released that the choosing shooting with only one part of plan to force Arkan out of the elder family. He claimed the persons who paid him is connected to Arkan with will not gain if the trust reaches court. Before naming the mastermind, Farman suffer a sudden attack and lose confusion. In the same horse, Arkan is transformed that anonymous donor has paid for a new legal team and secured an emergency hearing. The owner name is Pragil. She has no money, which means someone used her identity. The final scenes will show Daikel examining the payment documents and noticing a handwriting date. It is the date her sisters disappeared years ago.